I am getting into politics because for me the time is right and I really want to prioritise Galway and Galway West. I think Galway is the most incredible place to live in, but we're not progressing as much as we should, and I want to be part of the fight to bring us back up to where we should be. People do ask me on the doorsteps if I'm mad, quite a bit actually, but I think it's because they realise the amount of work that a TD does. It's not an easy job, despite what some people say, but I'm looking forward to it. People here are fabulous and I'm looking forward to being every help and assistance to them. My family have been incredibly supportive since I announced them that I was getting into politics. My father comes out canvassing with me in Connemara. My mother makes dinner for me every night when I come home from pounding the roads, and she gives me Tupperware to take home as well, so I'm well fed and supported. It's really wonderful. My top issues are, number one, our infrastructure in Galway. We need that ring road. We've needed it for many years. Galway is the 37th worst city in the world for traffic. People spend way too long sitting in their cars for short journeys. We need our roads widened. We need that ring road, and I want to be sure that it gets done. The issue around planning laws in Galway. People are not able to get planning permission to build even on their own land. It means that young people are not able to stay where they need to and where they want to, where they grew up, to raise their children there. And it means the Gaeltacht in particular is losing the next generation, and it's a threat to the Irish language. Another priority for me is women's health, and it has been for a very long time. I was very involved with the National Breast Cancer Research Institute here in Galway for many years, and I made a documentary a couple of years ago about the menopause. I welcome the free HRT and the IVF supports that the government has announced. It's a wonderful step, and I want to make sure that women's health remains front and centre in government. Túsáilte is a lovely Irish way of saying to give something priority. It literally means front and centre, to put something front and centre, but it means to prioritise, and I have a few of those.